Are we lost? Nope, because we have GPS. But have you ever wondered how your phone knows exactly where you are? Let's dive into the story of the GPS queen. Whether your parents use Google Maps to drive you to school or you're tracking a food delivery app to see when your snacks arrive, you are relying on the genius of Dr. Gladys West. Dr. West was a brilliant mathematician who spent years analyzing massive amounts of satellite data. She wasn't just doing homework, she was mapping the entire world. She created incredibly complex mathematical models of the Earth's exact shape. It's called a geoid, and her math was so perfect that it became the foundation for the entire global positioning system. Without her, the whole world would still be lost and asking for directions. She helped us navigate our planet from space. Pretty legendary, right? Dr. West was recently inducted into the Space and Missile Pioneers Hall of Fame. Remember her name next time you map a route to your favorite park? If you've ever used a map to find your way, smash that like button and subscribe for more legendary stories. See you next time in the Lab of Legends.